Traders, this indicator has been providing some exceptional trade signals. If you're looking for a reliable source of Forex signals, I highly recommend you watch this video. This is going to be a full tutorial on this indicator. It was recently released. So we'll have a look at a couple of these signals, see how they're stacking up. Let me just double click that. All it is two instances of the same indicator just introduced to the chart. And then I open them up like so, and I've got different settings, the one above and the one below. We'll just have a look at the one below. Double click it, open it up. We'll have a look at some of these. So this is a Forex pairs strength. It looks at the pairs. It's got gold and the rest of these you can see. Okay, so we had a couple of signals. Let's have a look at them. Well, we've got an Aussie dollar and an Aussie CAD we can have a look at. Just go back a little bit. Got some new signals firing at the moment. Pound yen, euro pound. So there they are over here. And I'll just leave these to run permanently. They go off, I come into the chart. Anyway, we'll just have a look at this Aussie dollar. Let me just double click that. Going to make this really simple. Just clear the chart a little bit. When the alert goes off, we just come into the chart and we look for the next one of these. So we had a bearish signal here today. It fired there. And yeah, I mean, we just wait for this. So it's really simple. This indicator here. Okay, so this one fires. We come in and then we take that next. Let's just have a look at a few of these. I actually marked these up where these went off. So that was an opportunity back there. I had an Aussie CAD. Okay, we had a few instances of the indicator going off, but these signals I took on my my live account, it gave us a bearish. These were today, so that's looking at Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD back here. What else do we have? We had a back here up where my mouse is. You see dollar Swissy, two signals. Let's have a look. What do they look like? Yep, they fired. This has been bullish. What else? Well, back here we had New Zealand dollar. Pound CAD, Euro CAD. So let's have a look at the Pound CAD, Euro CAD. Alright, Pound CAD. Okay. Euro CAD. Nice. Alright, so it's giving us these opportunities. What I'll do with the video is make it a full tutorial. So essentially, when this alert goes off, it'll fire over here. And I'll show you how to set the alerts. Let's just look at this Euro CAD, for example. Let's take some of this stuff out. And I mean, the first thing you want to do when you come into the chart, let's just say the alert fired here and it's giving us a bearish signal. You don't know what's coming. The first thing that I want to do is probably look at the trend, and we'll just minimize the indicators. So we've got this one here. I want to know that the 4-hour and the 2-hour is bearish. That'll do. And maybe the daily as well. That'd be good. So you just want to see these higher time frames red. Come into the chart. This is a 30-minute chart. This is how easy this is. Does it look like it's trending down? Yeah. Okay, we've got a pullback. High, low, retrace. Okay, so we're looking for that. That makes sense. If that fires around here, what you need to do then is enable this guy to take the trade. Don't take the trade on this. This is just to bring your attention into the chart, telling you you've got an opportunity. Come in, enable that, and then you'll set an alert for that. This will be a full tutorial, guys, on this. This is a full trading system with a trading plan. If you're looking for a reliable Forex system that will work for you, this is it. Now, I released this indicator a couple of days ago. Just show you some results quickly, and then we'll come back and I'll go through this. From here up is when the indicator was released. It was just Monday. I've been trading very, very carefully. I've had a lot of signals. I've ignored most because I'm still kind of testing the waters here. This trade wasn't from the signals. There was a inverse head and shoulders that I saw, and I decided to go with it. Okay? I actually mentioned that in a previous video. But, you know, you can see the outcome. So far this week, 3.58, and I'm very conservative. I'm not taking everything. There were a stack of trades this morning that I missed. I only took one. Right, slowly but surely. So let's just go back. The signal fires. It's just an invitation to come in and have a look. Is the higher time frame going in the same direction? So it's color coordinated. let's just consider, sell the Aussie CAD, right? It's red. All right. Oh, this is the Euro CAD. Oh, we'll come back to it. Let's do it on the Aussie CAD. Okay. The 4 hour is bearish. I would prefer the the daily to be bearish as well, but 4 hour, 2 hour, if they're bearish, okay, I'll run with it. But the main thing that I'm looking at, it's trending. So I think, look, if you want to just confirm the trend, let's go there. You're going to introduce the trend channel. Is it trading under the cloud? Yep. Is the higher time frame bearish? Yep. We're good to go. That's it. That's all you need. Trend channel. Now, I do like this indicator here. This is the trend bars. Are the bars red or green? Okay. Then the first thing to do is to set this alert. Let's say you came in, up in here, it gave you the signal. You don't see any red alert there at all. So you've come in here. Just come in here, go to the 3 dots, add alert, bearish, select flickering. This is my choice for the entry. The droplet I use for the permanent alerts, these alerts that were over here. I'll come back to that. Just pick flickering or whatever you like. Okay. Bearish alert. Once per bar, the flickering noise. Oh, and I like it to notify me in the app. Create. So that sets up the alert. I didn't create it, but that sets up the alert over here in the alerts log. When it goes off, just take the trade. Okay, so it's gone off here. Just go. Take it. Where does his stop loss go? All right, stop loss. See these red dots? Right on that red dot. And or the red shaded zone. So you got the red shaded zone and red dot. So you're going to follow those. All right, so you've got your stop loss. In this case, the stop loss would probably go on that red dot. You've got a previous high over there. Perfect. The target, just go for 3R or thereabout. Okay, 3R or thereabouts, because we're not going to rely on this. You're in the trade. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to, once this is live, you're going to set up the exit signal. Okay, the exit or take profit, one happened here and the other one happened here. I closed, this is a trade I took based on these signals, and I closed it down in here. Okay, set up your exit alert. So you're just going to come into the extreme confluence, go to the 3 dots. This is going to get better. I'm going to show you something. There's 2 other options with this. Okay, leave it as is, go once per bar. This is the exit. Notifications, I want the horse. It sounds like a frog. Different sound. So my entry is flickering and the exit is horse. Create. That's it. I took this trade and exited there. I took this one yesterday, and during the New York session that fired. It woke me up. And my phone was flashing and doing stuff. I came in, I looked at that, and I thought, great, I'll close it. This morning, I opened another one here, given that this was still giving me signals, and I set my exit alert, and today I closed here. That's exactly what I did. Right? So you can be pretty independent with your signals. That's it. Entry, exit, done. Now you can get a bit more elaborate with the indicators, but that's just using these indicators here. Now, next thing, take it to another level. You can trade your own signals here, and I'll show you how to set all that up. You can also trade my trade ideas in here manually. So these go in generally for the London and the New York session, and it'll be a very precise instruction. New Zealand yen, set a bullish momentum sync alert. That's it. That's what I sent in. When and then just set the alert on your in trading view, and then when it goes off, you just come in and you take that chart. You take that trade. So the alert fired here. Okay, so this is the second thing you've got. Okay, you've got your own signals that you can run with, and you've got my signals here that I'm providing. That's the alert. Take it, set your exit alert. This is also an exit alert here. Okay, that's next level. See, we didn't get that guy here, but you can rely on that as well. Anyway, so now you've got the option to trade. These go in every day, and these are super profitable. And you have daily mentorship videos. This is everything you need to grow an account, pass your prop firm challenge. In fact, just quickly before we get back to the, got happy members doing well. Another one, profits. Okay, very close to passing a prop account challenge. So you got the trade ideas, right? Just quickly, one more thing. So you've got your own signals that video is about. You've got these you can take as well. And if you want to go that one step further, on the website, just go to Trade Copy. Now, VIP is, after the 14-day trial, it's $29.95 a month. It's ridiculous. Okay. But you've got this option here now. Trade Copy, it's $10 more a month than VIP. It's $39.95. And it gives you full VIP plus I trade your account as well. Now, why is this so well priced? Well, it's a launch discount thing, but it's a win-win for both of us, because to get the $39.95 deal, I want you to open a Focus Markets, this is a broker here, account. They're an Aussie broker with my partner link. So they pay me a commission on the trades that are taken, right? So it's a win-win. You get a discount, and I don't have to charge you $80 or $100 a month for the trade copy, or 25% or whatever, okay? It's just that. So anyway, let's just go back to the video. Full tutorial, how to set this up. We've been through how to take the trades, now the alerts. So double click that. Just bring on 2 instances of the same indicator onto the chart. All right, open them up. And the one on top, here are the settings. 30-minute up the top here. You're going to go the breakout option here. Down here, you're going to select medium. Well, you can try other. Yeah, you got all the signals. You got medium, and then you got high quality, and then go OK. All right, there's less signals, so you've only got one here. That's right. Now here you'll go 30-minute chart. It's the pullback alert, and then down here the medium. Okay, go OK. So now you've got these. You've got both of these running. Set this up on the euro dollar chart. That's it, and just leave it as is. That's all you need to do, and this is going to track all of these different currency pairs. When the alerts come in, all right, you just leave that alone, and this is your working, chart layout. When they come in, don't click on them, because it's just everything will take you to the euro dollar chart. You need to just have it open a little bit, and you'll see here. See how it's euro dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar. It's all euro dollar chart, but the middle line is giving it. This is a 2-star quality. This is 1-star quality. There'll be 1, 2, and 3-star, and maybe 4 3-star quality. It's the pound yen. Okay, bearish pound yen right there. The next one is a bullish euro pound. All right, so that's where it is. This one here is a sell signal Aussie dollar. Sell signal Aussie dollar. Bearish, okay, euro yen, right? So that's where the signal. So all you need to do is you set up. See, now here's the thing that we're going to take this to another level. I use a Pepperstone C Trader account on TradingView. It's a demo account, and I use this. Take all my trades. I use the indicators, everything. I've got a bunch of accounts connected to this. All right, this is the master account in my trade copy program. So I can just take these trades, and they automatically get copied over to a bunch of other accounts. So Pepperstone C Trader, I trade here. All right, open it up. It's just open up a $10,000 account, or 15, 20,000, whatever balance you want, and through TradingView. When this fires, see how this one's telling you pound yen, dollar yen, etc. Pound dollar, euro Aussie. Back here, a bullish euro Aussie. Just go up here, because you've got your Pepperstone here. Your Pepperstone, these are all Pepperstone, right? You bring all them in. So then, you just go up here, and then you can type EURAUD, choose Pepperstone, just go there. There's the bullish, that was your bullish alert back in here. Look at that. So you can just stay on this alerts over here on the left. That's your alerts, and this is the log on the right. Just keep an eye on that as they come in. Don't click them. Okay, when your alert comes in, you'll click it. Your alert will be momentum sync, okay, the entry and the exit. That's it, guys. You've got this incredible opportunity in front of you. Snap it up while it's at a ridiculous bargain basement, $39.95 for the trade copy if you want that, or if you just want the, just VIP access to the signals in Discord and do your own thing, it's $10 less. So for an extra $10 a month, seriously, you can have me trading your account and benefit from. Okay, this was released on Monday, pretty much. I started trading with this system on Monday, and I couldn't be happier. Have to admit, prior to that, it was a bit touch and go. You can see the, October. Yeah, I was experimenting with all sorts of stuff, and the outcome wasn't so great. But I think from here on, we're getting closer to, pretty much nailed it really with what we've got here. Okay, so just to wrap it up quickly, see how these are green here? Okay, green signal, you want green and you want green. Go with the trend, check the higher time frame, and don't trade directly into, we're heading into the London Opens. You want these signals 1 hour after the session opens. All right, so let's just go there. This is important. Go back to the Aussie CAD. The Aussie CAD, we have the Asia Open, we have the London Open, New York Open. Asia, that's Asia Open right there. So look, go one step further, see this indicator here, go to the settings. If you're trading Asia, it's 1900 to 20. And look, this is where it gets more technical, and I'm going to be doing daily mentorship videos and you can follow all this stuff. But this is called the initial balance. So you're looking at the Asia Open 1900 UTC minus 5 to 20. Just simply put, this is just an extra confirmation thing, right? I'll show you this. See this square here. Okay, it's right in there. It's a blue square. And coming out of there, this just takes you to the next level, guys. So stick around. You can see this green line coming out from here and a red line coming out. That is the high and the low of the initial balance. The first hour from there to there. The initial balance. And it breaks below the initial balance, and we get a combination of the alert coming off the thing, and we get this red signal coming off the momentum sink. You take that trade, right? You got the confirmation from this signal coming in here saying we've got an Aussie CAD bearish setup, all right? The initial balance. So you just want to wait and see it break under this initial balance, and then we take that short. If you just watch the last 2 or 3 mentorship videos, you'll be up to speed. So if you're trading the London session, the London opens at 3 a.m. Now here's New York, by the way. That's the New York Open here. Now the New York is a little bit different because we get the equities market kicking off at around 9:30. So I set this up a little bit differently for the New York initial balance. So you just want to wait for that first period after the session opens before you get involved. So New York is, it kicks off at 8 a.m., but I set this from 9 to 10 because we get the equities kicking off around 9:30ish, right? UTC minus 5. And this then maps out here it is, look, the New York initial balance right there. It's slightly after the open. It's from 9 till 10. And see the bearish signal? It's a bearish break under. So when this goes off, so this is really good, guys. Seriously, take this in. When this goes off and it's giving you an Aussie CAD bearish signal, and it's really close to this 10 a.m. and see the red shaded zone here off that down triangle. We're in the red shaded zone. You take that trade. Just go short. That's done and dusted. All right, let me show you the London session. The London Open is 3 a.m. There it is. See, this is my trade after the London Open here. 3 till 4. So we set the custom range high and low for the London session. It's 3 till 4. And you're looking for the opportunity after that first hour. This is the initial balance. The signal over here goes off. That's the initial balance. You can see the shaded zone here. We get the bearish break out of the initial balance, bearish. That's that signal there. We get a signal back in here giving us an Aussie CAD around this time. And then the confirmation to jump into this trade is that signal right there. Then you set your alerts to exit or take profit. Pull your stop loss down, and you can trail this cloud here. Right, look at the cloud. You just trail these dots with your stop loss. Okay, guys, it's a very exciting journey, and this is really unique opportunity that is there's nothing like this in the world anywhere. Nothing. I guarantee you that. Absolutely nothing anywhere. Not for $29.95 a month. It'll go up, but at the moment it's a bit of a launch discount thing. So lock it in now, and it'll be that forever. Because at some stage, VIP will go up to $79.95, and the trade copy could go up to over 100, 120, whatever, or 25% of your profit every month. Okay, so enjoy what you have here. This is really special. You'll either see the opportunity or you won't. Up to you. Okay, with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.